Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming addition and build so you apply the right fix. Once done, make sure you have an administrator account and internet access. Next, gather your product key or confirm a digital license tied to your Microsoft account. Open an elevated command prompt now. This is where you'll run key activation commands. Run slmgr/dlv to inspect the current license state and note any error details. This establishes facts you'll use in the next steps and avoids guesswork. Once you've captured the error details, restart Windows Update, cryptographic and software protection services to clear transient faults. You can do that from services. MSC or via net stop/start commands. Next, reapply the key with slmgr/ipgear key and immediately run slmgr/auto to force online activation. If activation still fails, run sfc/scano followed by dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair system files that block licensing. Make sure each step completes without errors before moving on. Finish by examining Event Viewer for explicit 0xc004f074 entries. These logs reveal KMS or network issues that caused the timeout. If online activation still returns the error, use the phone activation wizard or contact Microsoft support with your installation ID. This bypasses KMS timeouts. As a fallback, sign into the Microsoft account tied to your digital license and relink under Settings Update and Security Activation. Once linked, select Activate to finalize. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip: temporarily disable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.